So the vehicle was an afterthought. Customer had ordered a 911 build, and at the time of the vehicle's arrival, kind of as a last minute spur of the moment situation, said, you know, I've got this vehicle in my garage that I don't really drive and it needs a bunch of work. Would you guys be willing to take it in? I have to trailer it to you. And we didn't think much of it. We asked for what was wrong. The customer wasn't really able to describe what. Said, I have some repair order paperwork in the glove box. Yeah, no problem, didn't think much of it. But when the vehicle got here, that's kind of the genesis for us picking it as our restoration vehicle. It was perfectly preserved outside of course, obviously mechanically the vehicle didn't run, but you know, doing a little bit more research into the 986. So last year, the first generation of the Boxster, which is this iconic, you know, almost brand-saving vehicle at that time. You know, I can remember, you know, as a young kid, it was kind of the first vehicle that, obviously the 911's classic, but the Boxster reinvented the brand in so many ways, and it's a lot of people's first association with the brand itself. So, you know, kind of from an innocuous beginning to the meaning that it had to so many people, and obviously the condition of this vehicle itself, of course we wanted to open up the hood and play with it.
Our goal is to bring this car back to life, bring it back to what it was back in 2004.
We got a lot of work ahead of us. We got a lot of things to do, a lot of things to figure out, but ultimately, I think it's just going to be a bunch of fun. The IMS bearing was completely missing, essentially. The race has completely welded itself onto the little shaft here, so we have a new shaft in the engine now. There's the tool up front centering it for the oil pump. This is the old one. This is now a paperweight. Other than that, we're going to go ahead and put this head back on. Thank you. We got new chains, we got a new IMS bearing, new head gasket of course, and a bunch of other stuff here, so stay tuned. Today is a super exciting day. We're going to go ahead and put the engine transmission back into this little Boxster here. There's a few things that we are going to have to remove in order to get that back in, like some of these struts and supporting brackets, a bunch of no big deals. Other than that, I think we're pretty much ready. You guys got to go. Give me a couple hours and come back for the first start. So here we are, the Boxster. We went from pushing it in as a used car to try to figure out what's wrong with this thing, to seeing if it's worth even putting any work or parts into, to taking the engine out, putting it in the back of the truck and sticking it in the showroom so that all of our customers could see what the powertrain looks like outside the car when we first unveiled the car. Take it all apart, clean everything up, figure out exactly what it needs, to compression testing it, to timing it, to putting it back in, to first starting it, to driving it. Absolutely amazing. Thank you guys so much for this opportunity. My name's Noah. I'm here at Porsche Marin. I'm a gold level tech, and it's been a pleasure doing this whole deal. Thank you so much.